I change it already long time, boss. What you say? I bring to school, pick my daytime, go to school. I'm come out by road, 9 o'clock, I'm done. 1 o'clock, I'm going by road, go for school, pick them. I'm by 1 o'clock, I go for that, it's 3:30, I'm done, I go park here. Gas too, can't manage this, brother. Can't manage it, I swear.
Try his but for change the driving habit. Which I don't really have a bad driving habit because I don't drive up and down for nothing at all. I have to go somewhere because the gas definitely too there. You know what I mean? If you put $3,000 gas last week and it got 2 strokes and you put the same $3,000 this week, and 1 stroke I get.
Well, that $1,000 gas me have to go buy and $2,000 gas more. But I will have in my pocket now, you know.
Yes, we have to do that because we have to leave from all the way to Lawrence Tavern to find a cheaper gas station to get the gas. So we can be able to fill up the tank. Can't buy up in all the hills. Hills price a kill we. Hills price almost double the gas station price here. So what we are going to do? Prime Minister need to do something about it.
That means if you used to drive go at the market, better you take bus now or walk if possible.
No, that's hardly likely. I drive to deal with work, so I don't have a choice in the matter.
Yes, we have to. We have to. You can't do this waste driving these days. You have to just make sure so you move from point A to point B and that's it. Idle driving these days doesn't work out. As you know, the rising gas prices, you know, it's very difficult for many of us right now, but what we got to do, we have to do what we got to do.
Every week you have a fork out more to fill, and I mean, there seems no end to the rise. You know, so it hurts the pocket.